The unemployment rate is the total for the country is about 4%. But if we talk of the college graduates, then we say that about 20-25% of the graduates are unemployed. So the data is moving up and down. So it's not growing steadily high, but there are some periods of the year that it goes down also. But in most cases, during graduation period, definitely the unemployment would become higher because many would be looking for jobs. During the pandemic, the unemployment was very high.
But has that been accounted, those people that are in the gig industry?
Yes, they are included in the record of employment. The 4%, majority of those are part of the gig industry. So if we include the other sectors of the workers, we say that it's 4%, but the quality of employment is not so good because it's not formal, it's not regular, it's seasonal. You don't have a continued source of income on a daily basis. It's an issue actually. When I was with the government, I thought that, or people would think that employment will be provided by Department of Labor. No, it's not. We are more on the facilitation, but the industries are the ones who are generating employment. So employment or job is a function of investment, and investment is a function of good governance. If we failed in terms of governance, then we will not be able to raise enough jobs. Then we might be failing our people in terms of the future.